What's up? How you guys doing today? I hope you're having a fantastic Friday. You know your boy Rich has got the news. It's true, 46 days, 13 hours, 58 minutes, and 55 seconds away from history. And we get to enjoy it together. Because if you ain't winning, we know you're not watching. It's true. It's true. So I wanted to show you something new today because so many people keep saying, Rich, what do I buy, Rich? Oh my goodness, full alert on huge. 23.5 cents, up 17.5%. It's on fire! HUGEFSD Pharma B. My goodness. And I'm pretty sure your boy Rich brought that to you first. When you have the tools of the gods, you need to understand the basics. Today we're going to talk about stocks for beginners. Now you might say, oh, I'm not a beginner, Rich. Well, can you pick this many winners? Look at the green. I'm just saying. The results speak for themselves, man. But I want to teach you something with stocks. Now take a look at Tilray. Tilray at $64.50. It just keeps going higher. To the moon. It's not stopping. And your boy Rich brought it to you when it was a new IPO. I can't tell you what to buy or sell. I am not a licensed advisor. Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. I know my picks are on fire. I know we are in a bull market of epic proportions. You need to learn how to buy low and sell very, very high. If you want to win. And you have to have the tools of the gods, which you can find here on Rich TV Live, absolutely free. They're all right here. You don't need to go anywhere else. It's true, they're all right here. All right here. And if there's any other tools that I need to add to this Rich TV Live revolution, you let me know and I'll add it. Because you, the people, have a voice with Rich TV Live. It's true. You keep saying, Rich, what should I buy? Rich, what should I sell? Rich, when do I buy? Rich, when do I sell? And my response is, buy in the red, sell in the green, take your money and run. 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 That's my response. It's always the same response. I don't know if you guys have been watching for a while, but if you have been watching for a while, I got to give this to you guys because I know a lot of you guys are waiting today. So Let me just make sure the winners get some recognition. Because I believe winners deserve recognition. Do you not believe winners deserve recognition? I believe they deserve recognition. What do you guys think? I don't know. Today feels like a winning day for me. I don't know. I don't know for you guys if you're winning today, because I mean, like, the market's green. So, I guess we're winning? Is that the sound of winning? On a Friday, which rarely happens. So, what this is doing, it's signaling that we are in a bull market. We are in a bull market. No other way to describe it. It's a bull market. We are in a funhouse. It's a funhouse. It's a playhouse. It's very entertaining. But you gotta realize that it's just very risky. So risky. Tilray, like, what are you doing, Tilray? We're making waves. We're definitely making waves. Tilray is making waves. Wow. So, if you want to learn how to buy and sell stocks, the first thing you need to do is you need to have the tools. And if you go to Rich TV Live, you will find all the tools there. One tool I don't have on there, and I just got the idea, I'm going to put it on there, is you got to get an account. You first have to get an account. Okay? Once you get an account, then you can go to richtvlive.com and you can use all these tools, which are absolutely free. And I use them every day. They're right here. And these are the tools that I use. And, oh, didn't I talk about Charlotte's Web Holdings Inc. yesterday? And didn't I talk about them the day before? And the day before? And the day before? And are they not up? A brand new IPO that opened up yesterday, are they not up 7% right now, again, today? Oh my goodness. I can't tell you guys what to buy, right? I can't tell you guys when to buy it. But the last IPO that your boy Rich brought you was Tilray. I want you guys to start reading between the lines, since we're learning about stocks for beginners, and Tilray has been a huge success story. If you bought it when your boy Rich brought it to you at $21, you'd be up 200% because we're at $64.50. I mean, I'm just saying, I don't know if those are good returns for you guys, but 200% in a month, I think is highly successful. So when people are like, Rich, what do I buy? Rich, what do I do? I'm like, well, are you watching the show? It's like, I mean, like, what else do I gotta show you? I mean, like, Tilray. And I mean, if you've been watching since last year, I was the first guy in the galaxy to talk about cannabis growth. It's true. That's why I got all these markings here, down here, because I was talking about them last year before everybody else. I was buying it last year before everybody else at the bottom. And what I've been doing is I've been buying low, selling high the entire time, all the way up. And it's up over 600%. I don't know what else to say. I mean, I can't tell you what to buy. I can't tell you what to sell. And I'm not going to. But what I can do is I can give you the tools of the gods. And the secret is to watch Rich TV Live. You get all the picks here every single day free. We can analyze them for you. If you have a pick you like, just give it to me. We'll talk about it. But if it's a pick that's like a sub-penny, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to hear about your sub-penny stocks when there's $60 stocks that are making people rich. When there's companies like Fire yesterday that was on fire and was exploding, went all the way up. and then it came all the way down. These are the buying opportunities that we're looking for. Remember, we told you, buy in the red, sell in the green, right? I tell you guys every single day, over and over and over again. So when it's in the red, I would consider it a buying opportunity. And then when it goes in the green, I would consider it a selling opportunity. It's very simple, actually. If you watch Rich TV Live, I mean, we make it simple because I'm only bringing you the best. Like, look at this. Did I not bring this to you guys yesterday? Brand new IPO at $10.46, up 7.84% today. They just raised $115 million, and your boy Rich brought that to you guys yesterday for free. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we've got a lot of winners here. It's true, and they're absolutely free. Now, if you guys want to, write down this portfolio, because these are the winners. Oh yeah, Huge, by the way, is now at 24 cents, up 20%. Another one of the winners that we brought to you guys first before anybody else on the planet, because that's just what we do. And it's up 22% right now, and it is at a 52-week high. So, it is on fire, clearly. And your boy Rich owns Huge, of course. I mean, when I say to you guys, I'm looking for companies that are long-term plays, this is what I would consider a long-term play right here. This is a bad boy that I would consider a long-term play. And if we go to the technical analysis on Huge, let's see what they think. So the moving averages is a buy, the technical indicators is a buy, currently at 24 cents, up 22.5% on the day. And if we look at the 5-hour chart, it's a buy. The daily chart, it's a buy and a strong buy. The weekly chart is a buy, and the monthly chart is a buy. Man. So, yeah, I think that this company is an absolute monster. I told you the only reason why I had hesitance about Huge is they're a massive share supply, which is billions. So I'm not a big fan of that. I've always been very clear about the fact that I don't like companies that have massive share supply. So that's one thing I don't like about them. But nonetheless, I'm happy. They're up. They're going up. And these are the types of companies that I think long-term could go to $1. Maybe even short-term could go to $1 because it is huge. Pardon the pun. But yes, it is huge. So Huge is on fire. And it is another one that we brought to you guys, which we brought it to when it was an IPO, which has been hugely successful since its IPO. So the next IPO, which we're clearly bringing to you guys, and I'm going to keep putting in front of you guys, is Charlotte's Web. It's at $10.46. Telling you guys it's a winner. I'm not telling you guys to buy it, just telling you it's a winner. So draw your conclusions from there. CVSI and Kronos ain't doing so hot. Both have lawsuits pending against them. Yes. Companies that have a lawsuit pending against them are not the companies that I'm interested in trading. Now, CVSI long-term is still a very good company. Their fundamentals, as far as their financials, based on what they've reported, as long as they are not fraudulent, I mean, who knows? All these lawyers are going to be digging really deep into this company right now. So I'm not interested in playing that game. But if you want to, you're welcome to. Kronos Group, another company that I really think has huge potential. Personally, I like Kronos Group more than CVSI. But, you know, that's why Kronos Group is up today 7%. I think the Kronos Group long-term is going to be a huge winner. But whenever you have lawyers and lawsuits and people looking around, they may find something they weren't looking for. And I am predicting that this industry is going to have a lot of lawsuits. This industry is going to have a lot of backdoor dealings because you have to remember there's a lot of people that are moving from the private illegal sector to the public legal sector now, and we are only 46 days away from history. So because we are 46 days away from history, a lot of momentum, a lot of money, a lot of people are getting into this industry. It's true. People are getting in, guys. Hope you guys realize what's happening here. And the momentum is real. Like, you should write these winners down. I mean, you're not going to get them anywhere else for free. I mean, it's a lot of winners. That's okay. You can watch Rich TV Live again, and you can write them down again. You can watch it a second time, a third time. And make sure you smash the like button and share this video everywhere, because think about it. If you buy a stock, and other people buy that stock, and the world buys that stock, like Canopy Growth, the number one stock in the world that's cannabis related, which I keep telling you guys is my number one, and I don't want to buy it at these prices because I've been buying it way cheaper. I'm not going to chase it, but man, it's a monster. It is just a monster. It's a thing of beauty. And it is the most well-known stock that is in the cannabis sector in the world. It's true. And I've been bringing it to you guys since it was at like $5. So it's actually up like over 1,000%. Crazy. So the question is, what's the next Canopy Growth? Well, I got the list right here. Just look at everything that's under $1. And those are the ones that I think could be undervalued and could be future Canopy Growths. Because I don't believe that Canopy Growth will be the only Canopy Growth. There will not just be Canopy Growth. And yes, Canopy Growth did just acquire Haiku Brands today. Haiku Brands is now Canopy Growth. So if you own Haiku Brands, you now own a piece of Canopy Growth stock. Which may be a good thing, but they are like extremely overvalued. So you have to understand that. Let me go check out my smart portfolio on NASDAQ.com. Absolutely free. Another tool that you can find live and free right there on Rich TV, right here. NASDAQ.com. Man, these winners. See if I have Canopy Growth here. There it is. They are projecting on NASDAQ.com that Canopy Growth is going to $45.92, a 22% downside. I don't know if I agree with that. I don't know. But that's concerning. For me, it's concerning. I don't know about you guys, but it's concerning for me. But nonetheless, they just keep going up. So who the hell knows, right? I mean, who knows? We're in a bull market. They're projecting it's going down 23%. Like, if you want to short these guys, that's like suicide. I ain't gonna buy it, but I ain't gonna short it. The number one cannabis stock in the world, shorting it? But they're saying short it. And they're saying short it. So, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I don't know. So, for me, I don't know. I gotta give this to anyone who bought Canopy Growth last year when I brought it to your attention. Congratulations. My goodness. I don't even know. It's the most hyped stock in the universe. Canopy Growth. They're saying it's going down. I don't know. Take a look at this. Zynarba Pharmaceuticals. Z-Y-N-E. Who's watching? It's at $7.95. They're projecting it's going to go to $19. 143% upside. Oh my goodness. That makes me want to go enjoy my long weekend. I know people are buying Zynarba Pharmaceuticals because you guys buy my picks even when I tell you not to. So, I'm having too much fun. I don't know about you guys. But I mean, like, we got some picks here, man. Like, they're just sneaking up here. I don't know if you guys are watching this. What about Friday night? I keep telling you guys. I tell you guys I like this company, man. Friday night is so cheap. Where are you at Friday night? Oh, yeah, you're right here. At 46 cents. It just keeps creeping. Just keeps creeping. I tell you guys, it's making $3 million a quarter. I'm going to show you guys the evidence. If you're learning about stocks, let me show you how you determine between the companies. I want to teach you something new today that nobody's ever taught you before. I promise you're going to learn something new today. How do you find if a company is licensed to sell cannabis or not? There are companies on this list that have licenses to sell cannabis, and there are companies on this list that do not have licenses to sell cannabis. Let me show you that list. Go to New Cannabis Ventures, which you can find on Rich TV Live right here. New Cannabis Ventures. If you're following me at home, just follow me. Right here. The Canadian Cannabis LP Tier 3 Index. The Canadian Cannabis LP Tier 3 Index represents the publicly traded market for companies that are licensed but not yet permitted to sell cannabis. Here's the list, just so you guys know. I mean, you need to know this. They are not yet permitted to sell cannabis. And look who's on this list. Huge. When these companies get on that list, what do you think is going to happen? I'm posing that question. Answer me, guys, if you know. What do you think will happen when the companies that are on this list get on the list to actually sell cannabis? These are a lot of good companies that your boys talked about. Pure at 35 cents. MPX, which I just talked about yesterday, at $1. Alefia Health Inc., ALEF, I've been talking to you about them all week at $1.02. And some of these are new. Bliss, I currently own Bliss, BLIS at 37 cents, waiting for their approval. GLH, I just talked to you guys about them about a week ago, Golden Leaf Holdings. Sproutly Canada at 66 cents, I talked to you guys about them as well. Now, there's a few other companies I haven't talked about yet that once they get the green light, and obviously I've talked about Namaste, I'm obviously talking about Huge, and I like a lot of these companies on this list, but these are the Canadian Cannabis LP Tier 3 Index, representing the publicly traded market for companies that are licensed but not yet permitted to sell cannabis. What do you think is going to happen when they get the permits? I'm just saying. These are the types of tools of the gods that you only find here at Rich TV Live. And I don't even want your money. I don't want your money. I want your eyes. I want your ears. Honestly, I don't want your money. I want your eyes and I want your ears. Straight up. I want your eyes and your ears. The reason why I want your eyes and your ears is because you, the people at home, you guys are going to be what's going to help our Rich TV Live revolution create freedom. You, the people. It's not me. I'm just a conduit. You guys, all of your eyes, all of your ears, all of us working together as a unit to help each other. Why is it benefiting me to help you? Why does it benefit you to help me. Why? Why does it benefit you at home? Why does it benefit you to help me? Because if you help me, I help you. And if I help you, you help me. I mean, I'm just saying. So, I'm just trying to give you guys the tools. I can't tell you what to do, but I mean, this is the way your boy does his research. These are what I call the tools of the gods. Do you understand what I mean? These are companies that are waiting for a permit. Once they get those permits, you think they're going to go up? And look how cheap they are. The most expensive one is Namaste at $196. This to me is a list of gold. Pure, P-U-R-E, GTEC Holdings Limited, GTEC, MPX Bioceutical Corporation, MPX, Alethea Health Inc., ALEF, Canada House Wellness Group at 22 cents, CHV, Bliss, B-L-I-S, Blisco Cannabis Corp, GLH Golden Leaf Holdings, VIR, Viridium Pacific Group, Sproutly Canada Inc., SPR, RavenQuest, RQB, Indiva Limited, NDVA, Namaste Technologies Inc., N, Benchmark Botanics Inc., BBT, and Huge FSD Pharma Inc. Ordinary Shares, Class B, sub-voting. I was just trying to show you guys. Keys. I mean, I don't know if you guys are thinking the way I'm thinking. But, I mean, I'm looking for 10 baggers, man. I'm just hunting for 10 baggers. So, for me, like, stocks like Kronos Group, stocks like Tilray, they're fantastic for momentum trading. They have tons of momentum. You can ride the momentum. But they're at a 52-week high. So if you ride the momentum, you need to put stop losses. You know, like if it goes down more than 10%, you're out. You take your beating. You take your lick. If it goes up more than 10%, you get out with your 10% profit. Now, if you're playing with 10 grand on a momentum trade and it goes up 10%, you just made $1,000. If you do that a couple times a day and you get good at it, you can make a lot of money. That to me is momentum trading. Now, long-term investing for me, for stocks for beginners, is looking for the smaller companies that are undervalued. That's why I'm showing you guys this list. These are the companies that are licensed, but need a permit. This piece of paper that says, go ahead, boys. Go ahead, girls. Get to work. So they are the ones, to me, that are the undervalued ones, that are the long-term plays that could explode. It's not to say that companies that are in other areas that I'm talking about every day are not going to explode either. They could all explode. They most likely all will. But I'm looking for the undervalued ones that are going to be the next cannabis growth. Because these ones have already exploded, right? They're already trading at like 100 to 200 times revenue. Not to say you can't make money on them. I love them all. I've bought all 4 of these. I own some of them right now. But the reality is that cannabis growth is extremely overvalued. So we have no idea how high it's going to go. It's a gamble right now. If you're buying the cheaper ones, which I was just showing you guys, then the cheaper ones are what I would say considered undervalued. So if you want to learn how to identify undervalued companies, that's how I do it. The other way I do it is I make a list like this, and anything that I think is worthy of my list, I add it. Wow. Huge now is at 25 cents, guys. It's up 25%. I mean, that deserves another pat on the back. That's unbelievable. I mean, Huge is living up to its name. It is huge. Up 25%. My goodness. Let's take a look at the indicators. Unbelievable. here, eh? You're not here. You're not here. You're not here, huh? Alright. We'll find you. Don't worry. We got all the tools of the gods right here. Look at the volume, guys. 22 million shares traded at 25 cents. We've brought this to you guys since it was at like 10 cents. Another massive winner. Look at the chart. And we brought it to you absolutely free. Huge. Wow. I mean, how many winners? I mean, what is it going to take for us to get 1 million subscribers, guys? Seriously, like this, enough is enough. What is it going to take? YouTube, I love you, YouTube. What's it going to take for us to save the people, to free the people? The people need to know about this. Why is there only 51 people that know about this? There should be thousands, millions around the world should be knowing right now about Huge. Smash that like button, share this video everywhere right now. Have you bought Huge? Have you bought Huge? Just wondering. NFL season starting. Long weekend coming. Cannabis stocks are on fire. It's crazy. I mean, what else could you ask for? And then you got Rich TV Live. Absolutely free. Dropping all the hits. Day after day after day after day after day. Man. Yo, that's what I'm saying. You guys are taking your 10%. Take the money and run. Learn to be happy with winning. Sometimes you're going to take 25% on Huge. Sometimes you're going to take 100%. Sometimes you're going to take 200%. Ride the momentum. But be happy with winning. Buy in the red, sell in the green. Be happy with winning. We are in a revolution. You are going to get rich. Some of you are already rich. You guys are messaging me, yo, Rich, you made me 100 grand. Hey, Rich, you made me 7 grand. Hey, Rich, you made me 10 grand. I'm hearing it every single day. Man, I'm just happy. I'm happy for you, the people. Because if you're not winning, you're not watching, and your boy Rich, I got the sauce. Hope you have a great long weekend. Enjoy the winners. I'm out. Peace. 46 days, 13 hours, 26 minutes, and 30 seconds away from history. I got nothing else to say. I already brought you all the winners, man. I'm out.